Good day everyone, I am Arnold P. Olapario from B3 ICT. So today I will discover an application, specifically the Blender app, knowing its definition, how to open it, what about the latest version of this app, and before that I'm going to use it, and at the same time knowing what are the parts of the Blender window. So what is Blender? So Blender is the free and open source 3D creation suite. It supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline, such as modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking, and even video editing, as well as game creation. So most notably, users create 3D effects using Blender. So as I have said a while ago, it also has a compositor, wherein a film editor, and a game creation engine. On the 3D side of things, Blender also offers architecture, particle, physics, and even 3D printing support. So how to open Blender? So it can be installed from of course, in the Microsoft Store by searching for Blender in the Microsoft Store and installing it. Then Blender can now be launched from the Windows Start menu. When Blender is now installed in the computer, you can start storing the application, and it will start automatically. So if you left the Run Blender option unchecked, there will be a shortcut icon of the Blender on the desktop. Just double click it onto the launch or to launch the Blender. So as you can see, it has the you can see here the general, the animation, sculpting, VFX, and of course the video editing. And here are the recent files that I have opened, or I have done to this application. So what is the latest version of Blender? Blender that I am using. So this latest version is Blender 3.0, wherein it's the beginning of new era for open source of 2D or 3D content creation. Now let's discover the parts of the Blender window. Just right click, then so these areas reserve screen space for editors such as 3D viewport or the outliner. So each editor offers a specific piece of functionality. So these areas are grouped into workspaces, which are geared towards particular tasks such as modeling, sculpting, video editing, texture paint, shading animation, rendering, compositing, geometry nodes, then scripting, and so on. So we can also add some workspace here, including the to the animation, and the video editing. So as you can see, it has the info editor at the top. So then a large 3D view, wherein this is the default screen as we open or launch the default Blender, and we have the timeline here. These are the timeline at the bottom. These are the timeline. Then outliner. Yung outliner is at the top right. Here's the outliner. Then we have also the properties editor at the bottom right. Here are the properties editor. We have the modifier properties, particle properties, world properties, and of course the layer. These are the layer. Then here is the we can use some tools here on how we move the object, rotate the object, scale, and transform. And we select the object. So here are the window. Then we can render the render by clicking the render animation. Then by saving, here's the save. We can save a screenshot, and we can create a new animation that we are going to do by pressing Control New. Let's try. Here. 2D animation. Here are the 2D animation, 2D full canvas. So that will be all for today, and thank you for watching.